Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an admin account, the receiver driver, and a spare USB 3.0 port. Insert the USB receiver into a rear port. This gives stable power and signals. Once done, open Device Manager or System Settings so you can watch the device appear. Make sure to close VPNs and Bluetooth scans because they can interfere. This ensures the PC will focus on the new hardware. Now proceed to install drivers so Windows or Linux recognizes the dongle correctly. You now install drivers. Run the supplied installer as administrator or use Device Manager's Update Driver Search automatically. Either option tells the OS how to communicate with the receiver. Once the driver is loaded, the adapter will appear in Network Settings. Enable it and choose the 4 GHz or 5 GHz band depending on range versus speed. Then connect to your SSID and enter the passphrase. Make sure to set the adapter's power plan to maximum performance so it does not sleep during use. You finish by verifying connectivity. Run ipconfig or ifconfig to confirm an IP address, then ping 8 to test reachability. If speeds are low, change router channel or force the adapter to 5 GHz for better throughput. If drops happen, update the driver or roll back to a previous version. And one key troubleshooting tip: if the dongle won't register, try a different USB port or a powered hub, then uninstall drivers, reboot, and reinstall cleanly. This clears conflicts and usually resolves recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.